Injured on the jet.
Now, Booker isn't the only one speaking out against these steep budget cuts. Today, 23 states filed suit against the Trump administration after the CDC cut more than $11 billion in federal COVID-19 funding to state and local health departments.
Ohio, we should mention, is not part of that lawsuit. Today, News 5's Indiana Busado spoke with local health departments reevaluating now their budgets.
The health department in each area does a number of things.
We inspect all of your restaurants and grocery stores.
From air quality to birth certificates.
We follow up all the cases of lead poisoning.
And vaccinations. But a surprise message last week.
We received an email that a number of grants across local health departments across Ohio were ending on March 24th.
Has health departments like Cleveland's worried about the future.
It's just putting everybody in a tough position to not know if they're going to get a letter any given day that cuts their salary.
That money was $11.4 billion in COVID funds allotted to state and local health departments. Each department got a different amount depending on the grants. For Cleveland, it only affected tens of thousands of dollars.
We've just had to call radio and billboards to say, all right, stop. We were promoting those vaccines.
For Lorain County, it was about $200,000 a year.
We wanted to use that, and we wanted to expand our epidemiology services.
But they had the funds to keep those doctors on staff after the money ran out.
That grant helped us offset our general fund dollars to be able to help build up finances.
But Tuscarawas County wasn't so lucky.
We are going to have to make some difficult choices.
They were given $1.3 million intended to last through the end of the year. At the time of the cuts, they still had $720,000 allotted towards future infection prevention activities, education projects, and repairs to their clinic.
We are utilizing the money for the new HVAC system. We are currently experiencing zero air exchange.
Now those contracts may be canceled unless they can pull the funds from other areas.
When you start taking those pieces away, the effects, especially in rural communities such as Tuscarawas County, are going to be incredibly impactful.
While each department is affected differently, they all worry about what else is to come.
I do think, though, that there is this narrative that city governments have let folks down. But what's happening now is the White House is making decisions that are basically undercutting or, chopping the legs off of city government.
Reporting in Cleveland, Nadina Busada, News 5.